National Science Foundation funds this program, and it's been in existence over 5 years now. There are about 15 active awards, and the thrust of it is to educate U.S. scientists and engineers so that they are able to collaborate globally, that they have international experience in research, and that they become part of a community of scholars.
So PIRE is a program where we try to get undergraduates and graduates and early career scientists to learn about big data and how to actually start using it. Because as I said, there's a lot of people around who don't know how to actually use this data, and there's a lot of people who want to know how to use this data. So I think it's really important to have training programs for people to go out and actually get some real world experience on how are we really using this data, what tools are we using to get the people who are up and coming, who are going to continue to push this forward, to get them to have some training and be able to be excited about this.
And what we do is train them in big data science, train them in data science, and then we have partners in a number of foreign countries, and then we work with those partners on different projects, and they get an education, the PIRE Fellows, in data science.
They're joining a community of peers that we hope they'll work with throughout their careers. And that is a very exciting part of what we're doing. And when they do travel abroad, they just don't work in the laboratory. They get out, they go sightseeing, they'll go to the pub, and just collaborating that way and socially getting to know the people that they will graduate with, and they might be working anywhere in the world, but they can always go back to that colleague is what we're aiming for.
Just to have the hands-on experience and even sit in lectures and demonstrations with these scientists who are a step away from Nobel Prize winning, who knows what's going to happen 20 years from now, but to be a part of something that's just beginning, and that's at the beginning stages of learning how data-intensive computing can really transform science.
And we could sponsor them for a summer program, a year-long program, and we're pretty flexible in how we do this. We really want to get a broad group of data scientists trained, and the PIRE, this 5-year NSF project through the PIRE program, is our way of training sort of the next generation of data scientists. We have funding available. We have foreign partners in the UK, in Amsterdam, in Japan, in China, in Brazil, and we're adding other countries. We just added Taiwan.
What I've observed over the last, say, 10 to 12 years is because of the robustness of research and education networking around the world, we're able to collaborate across time zones and share public data, and in fact speed up the rates of discovery. And I think at the bottom line, that's what we're doing. Using social media to grow the community. So we have an OSDC Facebook fan page, and our students post pictures and comments, and we can communicate with them that way about conference opportunities. And especially, we like to celebrate whenever a publication is accepted. That is a major way we're measured, is peer-reviewed publications. And so we can share that information not just on our website, but also through Facebook.